Día 1 eruptando el abecedario hasta llegar a la Z.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, niño.
No se pudo. Día 2 eruptando el abecedario hasta llegar a la Z.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, niño. P, Q, R, S, T, V.
Cerquita, cerquita, Día 3 eruptando el abecedario hasta llegar a la Z.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, niño. P, Q, R, S, T, V.
A W, che. Estamos cerca. 4.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, niño. P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yo creo que cuento, ya me cansé de hacer este video de mierda. Gracias por participar. Tragás aunque no tengas nada en la boca, haces. Maxi-chan. Y ahí soltás todo.
Tiraros un eructo bien tocho en público. Trato.
Hecho.
Gilipollas.
Porfa. Es que si no me ahogaba.
Que estamos en el equinoccio.
¿Te vas a publicar eso en TikTok? Ahora es una tontería.
¿Qué? Parte 3 de eructos, porfa. Trato.
Hecho. Vente aquí, vente aquí, vamos. Enseñándome. Cerdo, chaval. ¿La educación dónde está? ¿No has visto la gente
que lo tomamos? Sale solo.
Y no pasa nada si haces esto.
Hey, Joseph.
Por acá.
que todo el aire que...
That was weak.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. In your face, that'll put you in your place. Letters on the plate, fuck you when I break.
Está bien, lo voy a hacer ya, tranquilos. ¿Están listos? Ahí está. Y va a haber muchos opuestos que dicen, ay, es que así no se vale, eso no son eructos. Ah, pues mira. Ah, ya no me salió el Z. Bye.
I know that we are young, and I know that you may love me, but I just can't be with you like this anymore.
Hey bro, did you get a haircut? Yeah, it looks good. Yeah man, I totally did the homework. Hey bro, good game out there. Hey, no homo though. Oh god.
Yes. Yes, I can.
So you know how like that one girl was like, oh yeah, I had this trick, and you go and make yourself burp, you know? I can do one better. It's my best trick that I can do. Almost drew a hole.
Means that I have to go over to you and you get to punch me in the shoulder 3 times. Now, I can avoid getting punched if I say safety, so I'm gonna burp in front of my grandpa and see what he does. Oh, hi. Buck 3.
Nine, 4.
Stop! You're gonna wake up your mom. Now go to sleep, you got school tomorrow.
And this is how pro burps their ABCs.
That's cute.
TikTok, I got a question. So I asked everyone this, they can't do it. Can you make yourself burp? Not with drinking anything, no carbonated drinks, no water, no nothing, and not the little, not little bug. I'm talking about like this. Hold on. Over and over and over. I've never met anyone else who can do it like me. Like they can do the little, like little shit like that. But can you do it like how I just did it? Let me do it again. I ran up here. I gotta catch my breath. I just swallow air into my stomach. That's all I do. So let's see if you can do it. I let no one else who can do it like I did. I didn't drink nothing. Didn't eat nothing. Let's see if you can do it.
It might be cooler in slow-mo. Yeah, way cooler in slow-mo.